Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Tether USDT from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, secure transfers are more important than ever, especially with new regulations and enhanced security features on platforms like Ledger and XMO. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you avoid common pitfalls and keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Ledger Nano X with Tether already in your wallet, and an XMO account that's verified and ready to receive funds. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Head to the Ledger Live app to confirm this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN, then navigate to the Accounts section and select your Tether wallet. You'll see your USDT balance here. Step 2. In Ledger Live, go to the Send option for your Tether account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but before you proceed, copy the recipient address from XMO. To get that, log into your XMO account on their website or app, head to the Deposit section, select Tether USDT, and choose the network that matches your ledger, probably ERC20 for Ethereum-based Tether. Step 3. Paste the XMO deposit address into the Recipient field in Ledger Live. Double-check everything. Addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Once verified, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by reviewing the details on the screen and approving with your PIN. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your XMO account for the deposit confirmation. Remember, always use hardware wallets like Ledger for extra security in the crypto space. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from your Ledger Nano X to XMO. If you follow these steps, you'll be good to go. If you run into any issues, check XMO's support or Ledger's resources. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.